Buto lang pala ng papaya. Kung hindi nyo gustong i-blender, pwede nyo lunukin. Kumuha kayong kutsara, isang kutsara lunukin everyday, makakatulong mo sa inyo.
Eating papaya seed helps prevent kidney failure problems and also helps treatment when you are already suffering from this problem.
Eating papaya seeds help prevent kidney failure problem. Maraming problema sa Pilipinas ngayon, kaya po dumami ang dialysis center. Dahil napakaraming Filipinos ang nagme-maintain ng synthetic medication. True? At dahil may maintenance ka, yung side effect nun, makakasira kay kidney. So how can we protect kidney from acquiring such diseases as chronic kidney disease or renal failure or kidney failure? You can eat seven seeds ng papaya, ngunguyain mo yon for 7 days. So araw-araw 7 buto ngunguyain. Pero malaki maitutulong niya kay kidney. Okay ba yon? Okay. Sige.
Papaya seeds detoxify the liver easily within a month and increase the appetite mainly in elderly, children, and alcoholic patients.
Ayan. So kung ikaw ay alcoholics, yung mga
Manginginom.
yung mahilig mag-inom,
The drinkers.
kung gusto nyong matanggal ang inyong hangover,
Hangover.
pwede kayong ngumuya ng 7 papaya seeds. Oh.
Okay.
Mapoprotektahan pa niya ang kidney tsaka liver mo. Number 2.
Helps cleanse the liver.
Okay. So, paano natin matutulungan ng liver? Karamihan sa mga nagkakaroon ng sakit sa liver ngayon, unang-una, fatty liver, nababalutan ng taba, that may lead also to liver cirrhosis.
Liver cirrhosis.
Ang liver cirrhosis is early detection that your liver can have a hepatocellular carcinoma or pwedeng mauwi sa liver cancer. So, paano natin maiiwasan yan? Makinig, ha? Mag-grind kayo ng 5 buto ng papaya. Mag-grind. Haluan nyo ng lemon. Lemon. Yung pigaan nyo ng lemon. Okay? I-grind. Ipigaan nyo lemon. 1 tablespoon. Pwede na to. Okay? Drink the mixture twice a day for a month. At magugulat ho kayo, yung fatty liver nyo will be gone. Okay ba yan? Number 3.
Okay, improve intestinal health. Ability to get rid of intestinal parasite.
Yan. Para naman po matanggal. Yun, nakita nyo? Intestinal parasite. Yung amoebiasis,
Isa siyang parasite.
that is an intestinal
Parasite.
parasites. So, para po mag-get rid daw ito at hindi, o tumibay. Ayan. So, kukuha ho kayo ng buto ng papaya, ibilad ninyo, patuyuin, ika nga. Pag natuyo na, igagrind po ninyo siya, ididilute nyo siya. Yung powder niya, ididilute nyo sa tubig and boil it, pakuluan. Ito yung tama. Ulitin natin. Patuyuin, dikdikin, yung powder pakuluan. Tapos pwede mo siyang inumin dahil kung mahina ang inyong panunaw, ito po ang magpapatibay ng inyong digestive system. Okay ba yun? 2 to 3 times a day.
Okay, number 4.
Galing, no?
Protect the digestive system.
Yan.
Papaya seed also have powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that improve digestive health. Various studies have found that papaya seeds fight salmonella.
Kita nyo ha, pati po ang salmonella virus ay kayang i-control o patayin ni papaya seeds. Ano pa?
Staphylococcus.
Okay.
Oh.
Pati po yung mga virus na pwedeng makita sa ating digestive system. Makinig ha, kanina, parasites. Ngayon naman po, even bacteria and virus can be killed by the properties of this
Papaya seed.
papaya seed. Okay?
7 seeds 3 times a day.
Yan, we recommend eating 7 seeds 3 times a day for 14 days.
Okay, number 5, absorb excess fats and sugars.
Yan.
Papaya seeds also have a fat burning effect
Aha.
on your body because they have the ability to stop the body from absorbing excess fats and sugar.
Okay. Kaya po pala nagtatabaan. Dahil yung sugar na hindi nadadigest, nadideposit as cholesterol at nagiging fats. So, consuming 7 seeds a day, whatever way you want it, dik-dik, buo, naka-grind, naka-blender, nabilad, whatever, makakatulong po ito to lose weight. Okay ba yun? Para matunaw ang mga fats.